eDrawings is a free tool you can use on your computer or a mobile device to drive collaboration, convenience, and agility in your entire value chain. And this is the only guide you need so you can make the most of this powerful application. Let's get started. From the web, you can download the products here. And in this video, we'll focus on making the most of the eDrawings viewer, which is the incredibly capable free version. So what is it? eDrawings Viewer is a free application for viewing, printing, and reviewing 2D and 3D design data. So who's it for? Well, anyone in the value chain who wants an easy way to open and view CAD designs. It allows anyone involved in the process, like project or engineering managers, clients, partners, suppliers, and other team members outside of engineering, like sales and marketing, to understand a design without having to purchase, learn, and use a more complicated CAD system. It can open native eDrawings files, native Solidworks files, and many other common formats like DXF, DWG. Just look at the full list here. With the file open, you can do the classic viewing functions like pan, zoom, and rotate. You can change the display style to visualize it how you want. But now let's go beyond the basics to really get a good understanding of the model using the functions on the bottom of the screen. Animate will automatically move and position the model at standard views so you can click and start to understand it. Explode will automatically take it all apart so you can see all the components that make up the design. Now this just moves everything and lays it out in space so you can better visualize everything. If you want more control, there's the Move option, which gives you the ability to move components one by one with precision and flexibility. You can drag to move with flexibility or even input values or increments to move with more precision. The Measure command is key to getting a deep understanding of the design. You can measure sizes of entities like diameters, radius, distance, and thickness. But keep in mind, it's possible for this option to be disabled so you can protect your design IP. The Section command offers a way for you to get additional insights from cutting a section to see through your model. You can easily drag the section plane to get the visibility you need of the design. With Stamps, you can easily mark up and add context to your designs. Here, we're going to say this is still in draft. The Mask command gives you insight into the mask properties. The mask is determined by the materials defined in the CAD model. Markups is where the collaboration magic happens. Here's where eDrawings can be used by anyone in your value chain who might need to collaborate by viewing and marking up the design files to help get the perfect product out the door faster. For this example, there are a few changes that need to be made, like making sure we don't use a keyed lock here, so we'll call it out. And we can even call out this dimension here and add additional context to it so that we know, hey, this is too big, and we need to make a change. Now the file is ready to be shared with others to continue the collaborative effort. What's great is that this file is just over 10 megs in size, while the original SolidWorks dataset was well over 100 megs. You can browse through the component structure here on the right-hand side to understand the components. Now when we're done, just save the file to capture all the markups and comments. And that's eDrawings, the free tool you can use on your computer or mobile device to drive collaboration, convenience, and agility in your entire value chain. And we are Design and Process here to help you make the most of your tools.